Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, navigate to the address bar at the top and type in facebook.com, then press enter. This will take you directly to Facebook's main page where you can access your account settings. After the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which is usually a small circular image of your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This option gives you access to the deeper configuration options for your Facebook account, including privacy controls and account management features. Next, you'll see another submenu pop up. Click on Settings from this list. This takes you to the main settings page where you can control everything related to your Facebook account, from security to preferences. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of the screen where you'll find a vertical menu with different categories. Scroll down if needed and click on Account Center. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing all your connected accounts and account-level settings across Meta platforms. In the Account Center, you'll see several options. Look for and click on Manage Accounts. This section allows you to view and control all the accounts connected to your Facebook profile, and it's where you'll find the deletion options. After clicking that, you'll need to click on Manage again. This opens up the specific controls for your account management, giving you access to more advanced options like deactivation and deletion. Now you'll see the option for deactivation or deletion. Click on it. This is the critical section where you can choose to either temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it, which is what we're doing today. In the next screen, select Delete Account and then click Continue. Deleting your account is permanent and different from deactivation, as it will remove all your data, photos, and posts forever after the waiting period ends. Facebook will now ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select whichever reason best fits your situation from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. This helps Facebook understand why users are leaving, but it's just a formality. Next, you'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. Click No Continue with deletion. Facebook wants to make sure you understand this is a permanent action, so they'll show you the deletion process details and important reminders about what happens next. Read through the information if you'd like, then click Continue to proceed. Facebook will explain that your account will be deactivated for a certain period before permanent deletion, giving you time to change your mind if needed. Now, for security purposes, you'll need to input your password in the field provided. Type in your current Facebook password and click Continue. This verification step ensures that only you can delete your account. Finally, click Delete Account to confirm your decision one last time. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.